Good morning, friends. Today I would like to talk about another method of awakening your Kundalini that is called as Tapasya. It's the method which is very powerful for awakening. This is Tapasya, which means the purification. Tapasya is a very powerful thing, and it means purification. But purification of what? It's not about purification of physical body, but in the mental and the emotional bodies. And through this process, the mind, the emotions, and the whole personality are cleansed of all the dirt, your complexes and patterns of behavior that causes pain and suffering. So we can say tapasya is an act of purification. It should not be misunderstood to involve like doing something stupid and like tolerating very intolerable conditions. No, tapasya is basically making yourself emotionally strong, improving and increasing your willpower. When you want to eliminate a bad habit, the more you want to get rid of it, the more powerful it becomes. When you want to become detached with someone, you will realize or you will feel that you are becoming more attached to that person. Why this is happening? Because now you are more conscious, now you are more aware of it. Earlier it was happening at subconscious level, so you are not aware like you are attached to someone at a very deeper level, but now you are in the process of detachment. So this is why you are experience this thing at a conscious level. So now what you need to do is, when you want to get out of this thing, this state, it will feel very difficult. It appears in dreams, and when you stop those dreams, it expresses itself in your behavior, and you feel like you are ill. This specific habit must be changed at its root level, not at just the conscious level. And this is something which could be eliminated by tapasya, because if you want to awaken your kundalini, it is very important to get out of bad habits. So this is the most important thing which you have to include in your life. Tapasya is a psychological or psycho-emotional process through which you tries to set in a motion a process of metabolism that will remove the habits that create weakness and obstructions in the awakening of your willpower. You should say, you might have said to this that you want to do but you cannot do. What is the difference? Why this is coming? It is just because your willpower is weak. And when you will work on your willpower, then whatever you want to do, you can do it. This is the thing which you have to think about seriously. And the more you will focus on these things, the more you will develop the strong willpower. And the execution of your willpower will make you create new habits or replace your habits. And these repeated practices of tapasya, like trying to control yourself, will make you powerful. So this is all about tapasya. Tapasya is a very powerful method of awakening, and it takes time and patience. You just need to control your emotions, and this is something which is called tapasya, a purification of soul from bad habits. And this purification will help you in the long run to become a very strong person in an emotional and in an intellectual way. Thank you.